After my masterclass, instead of your work life being like this, you're on mute. People! It could be like this. The Business Parts Analysis is a series of exercises designed to help you and your team identify and analyze all of the different tasks that are required to keep your business operating on a day-to-day basis.
Changes in our business model have required us to grow our employee base, add on many new skill sets and processes to support that. As we struggled with that, that's the point that we reached out to Alicia and said, hey, we could use your help and your expertise.
It's important that you first have all of the tools that you'll need for a successful business parts analysis. I'll show you how to smartly streamline your processes, quickly organize your team, and finally experience smooth operating efficiency. Join now at smoothoperator.courses.